Hey guys, so I did some analysis on a company called Cleanspark. The ticker symbol is CLSK. Um, One of the reasons why I'm looking at this company is it's an energy company, or in the energy sector, which is which regulates um, grid battery power. And the importance behind this is, the new Biden administration. It's a green administration, so you're going to see probably a lot of boost in ESG type of stocks, which is environment, social, and governance. Um, so I decided to look at this and found some really interesting items. Let's first start with who they are. So they basically make software and micro grid devices. Um, basically microcontrollers or something of that nature that controls how these batteries work. Everything from how it discharges to heat management to protect the life of the battery. Um, so this is kind of like the control system, right? So a couple days ago, um, some company, like Hindenburg or Citron, released some kind of information, to short sell the stock. Um, and what's being found out right now in their response to it on Friday was they're fighting the allegations, indicating that it's completely false, and that they're gonna they're gonna invest heavily to figure out who put this bad information out, and um, pretty much you know pr- pretty much try to sue them, because it's they're it's negatively affected the company. I mean, according to this thing, it's down 34.7% as of Thursday. Um, so it went up Friday, and this was released Friday, I believe, 21st. So, oh, released Thursday. So yeah, Friday was the day that investors were able to respond to it. As you can see here, this is being Friday. So, I think fundamentally the company is hasn't changed. It was just this report to drive the price down for gain. So with it being cited by them as false, I think this is a good opportunity to ride the upside back to where it was. Um, the funny thing about this whole thing is these purple lines right here. Um, I don't know if a lot of people are familiar with this in the group, but this is a Fibonacci retracement, and I drew it on here to kind of just a quick scale to see where things are falling in line, and it pretty much nails it. You can see the start here where it hits candles here. This is where the candles land. Same thing in this area here. The pretty much where a lot of the candles touch and meet. Same up here, close to this too, and then of course at the top there, and these resulting stair step down. And so that's I found that to be very interesting, that happened, and I think the stock is back on this rebound. If the RSI looks good here on a daily basis. So it seems to be good. MACD is on its way down, but I think, you see how close the histogram here is. It's pretty much reached its bottom. And you can tell by this. So the MACD will probably change quite a bit tomorrow to reflect Friday's activity. If you look further on, it's known to do these spikes. Um, so I think tomorrow would be probably a good day. Um, keep this on your radar. So you look on the 1 hour, it's still, the RSI is still good, according to what it can go to, right? So it went up as high as, 85 previously, 84 to 85 previously. So I think it can make that jump into these higher areas. And according to the GAN angles I've been looking at, tomorrow opening bell is probably going to be interesting. It may pre-market jump up to here, or maybe stay down here and then jump up here. It'd be interesting to see if the GAN angles are predicting some kind of inflection point here with the timing and everything, the way the price action is going. So two angles are pointing here, and most of all, the one of the key level places of the 61.8 for the Fibonacci retracement is in that area. So there's a lot of things going for it to hit that spot. So we'll see if it gets there. So there's still quite a bit of room that it can run for on an hourly scale. So we'll see. The other thing that I'd like to point out here is if you look at the way this is forming right here and it hit this support, you can look at this here also. It's almost mirroring exactly this. The way it formed, it went from the bottom, went to the top, it's near the top. Same thing here. And it did that massive jump. Went up to as high as 84, 85 RSI. So I think there's a pattern repeat coming, which is a huge upside. So if it goes all the way up to, around the 31 price mark by opening bell, and then it can jump up again to maybe up to 36, and we're currently at 28.85 to 36. That is a very huge gain. And that's what it's looking like it may do. So it might be a good thing to keep an eye on and see where it goes. All right, guys. I believe that's all I wanted to show you. Yeah, this is Cinedime, so that's another video. But this is Cleanspark. So they've been on the news. There's a lot of things that they're doing. So it's a quick and dirty look at this thing for possible play for tomorrow. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Take care.